Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you this amazing recipe, coffee body scrub. Most of the time, we always focus on our facial skin. However, the skin on our bodies just need as much nurturing. Body skin exfoliation is an essential step in body skin care. Coffee scrubs have a lot of benefits on the skin, especially if combined with other helpful ingredients. So if today is the first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to show some love to this video by giving me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, and also please do not forget to subscribe. It's free, okay? And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for all the love and support. I appreciate, I don't take it for granted. So sit back, relax, let's dive into the video. So let me introduce my ingredients to you. In here I have 400 grams of brown sugar. Brown sugar is a natural exfoliant that helps to moisturize and even skin too. Brown sugar is very good for your skin. It packs with a lot of benefits. So in this recipe we'll be using brown sugar, and also in here I have 150 grams of coffee. Coffee is high in antioxidants such as phenols, which helps fight free radicals and protect the skin from damage. Coffee is good for the skin. It's also packed with a lot of benefits. Our third ingredient is olive oil. In here I have about 6 to 7 teaspoons of olive oil. Olive oil moisturizes the skin, contains vitamin E, reduces the signs of aging. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants. Olive oil is also packed with a lot of benefits. Olive oil plays a good role in the skin, okay? And we'll be needing a bowl that we'll be using to mix our ingredients and a fork. I'm using this because it will enable me to mix it very well, and this is my storage jar that I'll be using to store my First, I went in with my brown sugar, then I added the coffee and then the olive oil. Then I'm going to mix this very well, okay? You need to mix this very well. Everything needs to combine very well, okay? So I noticed the oil was not enough. I added about 2 to 3 teaspoons of olive oil, which in total I used 10 teaspoons of olive oil. So you need to mix this very well. Mix so everything will be well combined. Then when I'm done mixing, I'm going to transfer this into a jar for storage. Coffee scrubs has a lot of benefits. It helps reduce body acne, it reduces the appearance of stretch marks and cellulite, it prevents premature aging, it removes dead skin cells, and it improves blood circulation. So to experience the benefits of coffee body scrubs, you need to incorporate them into your regular body skin care routine. And if you have dry skin, you can use the scrub once in a week. If you have oily skin, use this 2 to 3 times a week. How to use body scrub. Use lukewarm water to soak your body. Then you apply the scrub in a circular motion on your skin. You make sure to apply it gently, please. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, then you rinse it off thoroughly. Then you apply your lotion while your skin is still slightly damp, okay? Then this is my coffee scrub. I got a lot. So guys, make sure to try this recipe. You're going to love it. We've come to the end of this video. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so. Okay, subscribe, leave me a nice comment, like the video, share the video. Sure to see you in my next one. Bye. I should fuck her